Hi folks, Friday, well now it's Saturday 17 because over here it's 3 in the morning. Anyway, quick message, don't want to be too long. Again, repeating myself, I've been monitoring this very closely today in order to understand what's going on. Let me be, direct. So you understand what I want to say. Clov actually is not trading naturally. Shorts are completely out of the way. Every dip, you have a big buyer who jump in and collect. This is absolutely not normal, in the sense that this is not a short covering. You don't have a lot of day traders talking about Clov. It's completely under the radar. They are too busy with the monkey virus stocks, doing 200% in and out. Nobody's looking at Clov, really. So let's be clear. I've done a message. I have been writing a message. I'm going to say it verbally, speakingly. Something's going on here. So I don't know what. I will be clear with you. I don't know what. Or there is some kind of SaaS spin-off that they're going to release in the market for the Clov owners, shareholder, maybe. Or there is some kind of buyout or a big position that the big boy is taking on Clov. Or you have BlackRock, Vanguard, or some kind of fund related to Chamat who is collecting share in the dark pool. Or you have some news who is going to arrive that will completely change the way we evaluating Clov. But really, I really want you to be to understand, because it's important, like a lot of people who know what's going on, I'm going to send some dry powder, and I really hope we have a dip. I hope, but I don't think so. I will be honest with you. I think we will have no dip. Why? Because you have a big force who is sucking everything he can when some people go out. You have a lot of people who are kicking themselves because they sold at 16, 17, 18, 19, and now they are stuck. They see the price going up every day without a pause. Something's going on here, folks. This is absolutely not FOMO or Kool-Aid, day trader. Absolutely not. You can make a tour on YouTube, and you check Clov. Nobody talk about Clov. Nobody's in Clov. We have, in the last 3 days, we have 56 million shares in volume total, with higher highs and higher lows. This is absolutely full power. So I will be forced, if I want to average up, to pay plus $3. The time my money is available, I'm pretty sure it will be above $3. So let's try to be calm and to think about, because naturally when we all see our account we are overexcited. But the problem is that, if you remember what I say in the other audio, you need to be very clear in your mind, because if you get emotional you will do some stupid things, like selling at 19 or 2, and a lot of people have done that. They have been buying at 06, 07, 08, and they get out at 16, 17, 18, and now they are stuck with the price at 286. So let's try to be cool and really reflect. Al from the YouTube channel of Al Stock. I will put the link in the commentary for the one who don't know. Every day is calculating the intrinsic value of Clov with different kind of scenario, growth, this and that. When you know that they are making 1.4 billion in gross sales with only 2 states and 3 parcels, there is crazy growth ahead of us, especially with the new stars next year. I mean, this is, I'm very serious here. This is the beginning, the very beginning from everything we were talking about Clov back in 2021. They have been doing that. I mean, Andrew have put a lot of order in this company. Now this company is full of technical people, smart people. They are hiring big time for SaaS in New Zealand, in Hong Kong, in Canada. Folks, this is the beginning of a very, very big story. When I say big story, I will be very clear with you. I will not be surprised when all the dust come down and we understand what's going on. In the next 3 months, we will have some reply. Who is buying? Which institution? How much? What Shamat is doing? And this and that. I will not be surprised when when the puzzle will be in place between SaaS, growth, stars, you know. I will not be surprised if at a certain point at the end of 2025, this company will be a 10 billion market cap company. That's mean $20 per share. Folks, if you think we are crazy, give a look at the chart of OSCR back in 2023. Okay? Naturally now, OSCR is, you know, making circle because it's a company who's expensive. $18 per share coming from $2-3. But we are at the beginning. And check every quarter what's going on with the MCR, with the growth, with the earnings, because this can be exponential. And this can go very quickly, especially if you have some competition going out of business. I mean, I know I'm the same. I'm like you. I'm angry that I don't buy around $1. You know, can I make some stupid move in and out and this and that? Okay, let's forget it. You know, I'm green. Actually, I'm full green. I've been losing a lot of money on other stock, and this run on Clov delete all my loss, and I'm green, so I'm okay. But knowing where we're going, I'm personally convinced that at the end of this year we're going to see $6. Okay, that's me, not financial advice. And I think 2025 will be terrific. Now this is only the turnaround story. You know, we are turning around, going back to the price of 2021, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10. But the best part of the story, it's after that. 2025, 2026. This will be a bulldozer, a cash cow machine, a growth machine, AI machine. And, you know, in the best case scenario, Al is pulling out from intrinsic value, his program, he come out with a share price of $67 per share, folks. $67 per share. That's mean roughly a $30 billion market cap. And that's mean how much? 30x, 20x, 25x from where we are today. That's mean that's life completely changed. And I mean, don't think it's stupid or it's crazy. I mean, look at Humana, United Healthcare, and all this stuff. They're absolutely not comparable, because Clov is a little fish, dynamic, with people coming from Google, with incredible, staff and strategy, with the CEO buying shares, with the company buying back shares, with somebody who is eating everything he can on the dark pool. Something big is brewing here. And I think personally that this thing is going to go up and it will never go back down again. Because again, I repeat what I say yesterday or the day before, I don't remember, in my audio. People think wrongly. They say, oh, we are $3. Yeah, it was a 60 cents share a few times ago. $3 is expensive. Remember, folks, in 2021, we were screaming and jumping on our share to buy at $7, $8, $9. I've been buying shares at $9, $10, $11. Yes. So now it's under $3. And the story is a lot more efficient and a lot more encouraging and a lot more clear than the story that we have in 2021. So, I mean, really, I want you to take it very seriously. This thing going to go back to its price where she come on Wall Street, $9, $10, and from there, this thing is going to skyrocket. So basically, $3, it's nothing. $3 it will be a kind of a joke in a few time. But you need to understand why. You need to understand what's going on. You need to understand the reason behind. It's not only, throwing numbers in the air like that. But really, I mean, do your due diligence. And honestly, I don't think we're going to dip. Because I think that every time we are going to dip, you will have this big fish who will buy everything he can in the dark pool. That's what happened the whole week. No weakness, only up, up, up. And when it go down, somebody eat everything and go back up again. So it's not too late. We need to accept the fact that we are paying more than what we can pay 1 or 2 months in the past. But, let's look forward. $6, $7, $8, $9, $10. You can make a 4x easily. 4x is enormous. That means you are putting $25,000. You go out with 100. It's amazing. But the problem, like I'm saying again and again in every audio I'm doing, Clov is a big story for the long term. That means that I don't even know what to say about an exit strategy. Because, I don't know. I think we are nowhere. I think we are nowhere where we are going to finish here. It's very too low. It's very too low. Well, naturally not now, because now we are in a turnaround process. But the acceleration can be violent next year. And when that happens and the market see that and make his numbers, they can push this thing from $6-7 to $20 on a dime. So we have the big luck to accumulate in 2024 before the big quarter earnings hit the wires next year. It's not financial advice, but I mean, try everything you can to buy the dips. Accumulate now, because imagine my face, your face, when we will see Clov at $10, knowing it's only the beginning of the story. Imagine. Naturally, I told you, a lot of people will go out, rich, happy. But $10 is nothing. $10 is a $4-5 billion company. But if this thing, go in the right direction with the number of stars, with the SaaS strategy, with the growth, operating in more states, with the MCR going down, it's already super low, 71%, it's super low. This Medicare program is super efficient. This thing can become a blast. I mean, really, if they reach at a certain point a 30% growth and huge margin, this is going ballistic to $20-30 per share, and the market don't care. I mean, look at what happened to other company, ASTS, from $2 to $32 on a dime. Why? Because the market recalculate the value and they change their mind and they just push it up from $2-3 to $32. This is not a legend or stories or movie, this is reality. ASTS. So why not us? Why not us? People don't understand. People don't understand. You understand. Are you going to act? Or you are going to say, oh shit, I sold at 1.6. Too bad, I'm a stupid person. And then you see 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, and you keep crying. It was an error not to buy around $1, okay? Or to buy and to sell too early. It was an error. Now we need to accept the error and accumulate on weakness if it's possible. Because if these people have the information, the big guns, and we don't have it, listen to me, they are going to push it every day. And then, at the end of September, you will see $7. You say, what? $7? In July, this was at 150. Yeah, $7. What you're going to do? What is $7? It's nothing. It's a $3 billion market cap. Not big deal. Not a big deal. In my case, it hurt. It hurt. But I'm trying to be positive. I've been reloading at 170. We are 280. Okay, it's not the best strategy, but I've saved what I can save, and I'm green, so I'm okay. And now I want to give another message. There is some of you who have been bag holding for 3-4 years, but you have been paying $11, $12, $13. Please do you a favor. Please do you a favor. Average down all you can, because if you don't do it, when you will see the price coming back to $11, you will just sell and say goodbye, thank you. I've lost 4 years of my life and I've not done a dime. We need now to have the courage to buy at the same time of the big guns who are loading tons of share in the dark pool. We need to be in the same vibration of these people, not to wait for confirmation. It will be too late. Let me tell you why. Please listen carefully. When Clov will close the gap between $5 and $6, okay? Listen, it's very important. When Clov will close the gap between $5 and $6 that we have a gap over there, you know, from 2022, something like that. I'm not in front of my desk. When Clov will close the gap and will be above $5, all the institutions are allowed to buy again, because they cannot buy under $5 because it's penny stock area. So that's mean that's how I see the story. They're going to buy every day until we arrive at $5. Over there, they may stop, and you will see all the short covering and the institution start buying. And that will be, you know, wild. We don't want to be in the middle of this mess without being full of cloth. We are going in that direction, folks. $5, institution can buy, we are not more penny stock, and this will shoot up, especially if you have some kind of earnings or SaaS news or something, you know, very hot. It's a total blast. And if you don't act now, when we have a control trajectory, it will be too late. It will be too late. Especially if you have been buying at a high price, $12, $10, $15. Please, you absolutely need to average down before we reach $5, because $5 will be out of control. Short squeeze, institution, news, SaaS, bing, bang, bang, will be in the dust, and the price will be above $10. So it's now is the last weeks where you can buy before $5. I will be doing that next week, tell you the truth. I don't want to slap my face. No. Because I smell the thing is coming. I've been looking at the chart live all the day. Every time you have a little weakness, somebody scoop up all the shares. There is somebody big with deep pocket who is absorbing everything he can, and I don't know who it is. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Shamat, Clov, I don't know. But there is somebody. That's why you have no retracement or no profit taking, because he absorb. Because the guy who is buying know we're going to $5, and from their institution will be kicking in. I don't want to live any regrets, you know. So yeah, it's difficult to pay $3 instead of $1. Yeah, it hurts. That means that with $1,000 you have only 300 shares instead of 1,000. Yeah, it hurts. But what do you want to do? You want to wait for $10? Impossible. So I don't know what's going on. something unusual. But what I know is that this thing can be really, really life changer. And when I see that all these day traders or, guys who have YouTube channel and big Twitter account, they are completely mute on Clov. That's a big, big gift that we have, because they are all out of the way. Please act before all these people wake up, because when all these Reddit people and meme stock frenzy people come in and blah blah blah, news, SaaS, it will be too late. It will be totally out of control. I don't know what to say. Clov is an incredible story. We have been suffering incredibly. At a certain point, I was not looking at Clov anymore. I was angry. I just, sold during the fall down at $6, $5, $4, and go somewhere else. But now I understand they have been doing everything right, and they are turning around the story, and they are going to transform in a growth machine. So, accept the error, repair the error, and cash in. Take care. Have a good weekend.